Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to convert a JPG image or multiple images into PDF using Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat makes it easy to turn JPG, PNG, TIFF, BMP, and other image formats into professional PDF documents. Whether you are creating a photo, PDF, scanning documents, building a portfolio, or combining multiple images into a single file, Acrobat can handle the conversion in just a few steps. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to convert JPG to PDF and images to PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open Adobe Acrobat, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. From the home screen, select Create PDF or All Tools and then Create PDF. Okay, so as you can see here, this tool allows Acrobat to convert images into PDF documents. Okay, so Acrobat supports both single image and multi-image conversions. So tap New Acrobat PDF. Okay, so Acrobat supports, as I said, both single image and multi-image conversions. So then select your JPG or image file. So choose single file, like from here. Okay, so upload files, then browse for your images. Supported formats commonly include PNG, TIFF, JPG, JPEG. Okay, so select the image or images you want to convert. You can choose multiple images at the same time, arrange images in the correct order, and drag and drop images into the order you want them to appear. For example, cover, page 1, page 2, page 3, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.